Here we go.
So this is Explosive Optimus Prime.
Show it. No, stand it sideways so that we can see it.
All
There.
plastic, so guess that transformation is
Explain to the viewers what you're doing.
pull the legs apart. And put this and and
Put it up on the table so we can see better.
and
Uh-oh, now it's saying the battery's running out.
do this
It might have run out of battery or something.
and pull this out. Do this and
There's no battery. I don't think this is recording. We better stop and see. Hold on. I'm gonna...
and so that you do the same thing with
Speak up.
and push around. This goes up, and these arms go down. Comes up from here, down here, towards back. And today you have an Optimus Prime.
Excellent.